weekend of weather for you, actually, Charlie and Nina. So some wet weather certainly at times, but also some sunny spells. And it'll feel warm in the best of the sunshine as it does at this time of year. But just be prepared if you've got outdoor plans, especially on Sunday and on Monday, to run for cover, because there'll also be some heavy thundery downpours around as well. Now, today, probably the better looking day of the long weekend for the vast majority of us. And that's because we're sandwiched between these two weather fronts, one out towards the east and another one out towards the west. So let's deal with this one first. It's going to be bringing some more cloud across East Anglia, outbreaks of rain for parts of Norfolk, pushing up towards Lincolnshire, other parts of the East Midlands perhaps through the afternoon. And this one would just introduce a bit more cloud across southwest England. But for the vast majority of us, a lot of dry weather around, chance for a few isolated showers, some decently long sunny spells too, and temperatures just slightly above the seasonal average, so 16 to 21 degrees Celsius. Not a bad looking day at all, but of course the evenings are nice and long at the moment, and your evening could perhaps be ruined by some of this rain just creeping in from the south here. It's a bit of a messy picture overnight tonight, so we will see some cloud, outbreaks of rain, but it's a mild start to the day tomorrow, and a rather disappointing one, I suspect, if you're up early enough. Now, we are expecting to keep that cloud towards the northern half of the UK, outbreaks of rain on and off here, exception to that probably northern Scotland, where it could stay largely dry with perhaps a bit of sunshine around. And across the southern half of England and across much of Wales as well, expect to see some sunny spells. But if you do get the sunshine, then watch out, because there could be some heavy, slow-moving, thundery showers around, particularly slow-moving, so they'll last a long time, I think, across the Midlands and parts of Wales. But it won't be raining all the time. Slight drop in temperature. Same again on Bank Holiday Monday. So we've still got these leftover weather fronts here, and there will be more showers sparking off too. Now, the focus for the showers, I think, will be mostly out towards the west through the morning, and then they'll start to track further eastwards. So if you are out towards the west, you may well get away with perhaps a drier evening on Bank Holiday Monday. Certainly drier second half of the day, another slight drop in temperature, but again, it's going to be feeling warm in the best of the sunshine. And just a little look ahead, because it's half term next week. It's quite pessimistic, this chart, but we do think there'll be a lot of dry weather around as well. It's not that it's going to be raining all the time. There'll also be some sunny spells, so all is not lost. And temperatures round about the seasonal average too for most of us. So sunny spells and showers, certainly the theme, not just this weekend, but also as we head through much of next week too, Charlie and Nina.
Thanks.
And we need the weather to play ball as well, don't we? But it's not going to all the time, I'm afraid. Also, North Wales, this scene earlier on this morning, it's so picturesque, isn't it? It was all clear skies here last night, so there has been a bit of mist developing. It's a very promising start to the day for a lot of us. This is North Yorkshire, where, of course, we've seen a lot of heavy rain recently, but plenty of blue sky and sunshine to kick off this morning. Is it going to last? Well, I think there will be some more sunshine around at times through the weekend. There's a bit of everything, to be honest, because we are expecting some more heavy thundery downpours to develop, and that's particularly true on Sunday and Bank Holiday Monday. Now, if you're still trying to decide what to do and when, then just bear in mind that today's the best looking day of the long weekend for the vast majority of us. We're sandwiched between these two weather fronts. Here we are, the jammy bit in the middle, with all of the sunshine for most of us today. But just out towards the east, Norfolk, parts of Lincolnshire, we are going to see some outbreaks of rain, and then there'll be more cloud towards the east coast up through the East Midlands as we head through the afternoon, and it will cloud over across the southwest of England as well, but plenty of sunshine in between. Long sunny spells, a few isolated showers, and in the best of the sunshine, temperatures will be above the seasonal average, so 16 to 21 degrees Celsius, so not a bad looking day at all. Now, as we head through tonight, just watch out if you've got plans for this evening, because we've got this area of rain gradually pushing further northwards. It's a messy looking picture. It's going to be mild, of course, underneath that cloud, the outbreaks of rain as we head into Sunday morning. And it's quite a disappointing start to the day as well, because we're going to keep that cloud, the outbreaks of rain, I think, for much of the northern half of the UK. Could see some brighter spells develop towards the south, perhaps more sunshine towards the south of England and South Wales. But here, watch out for some heavy thundery downpours, and they'll be slow moving, those showers, so they could last for some time with the light winds. Exception to all of that is across northern areas of Scotland, parts of Caithness and Sutherland, where we could keep the dry and possibly the sunny weather for much of the day. Temperatures will be just that little bit lower. Now, as we head into Bank Holiday Monday, it's more of the same. So we've still got this weather front around, and it's still going to be giving us some outbreaks of rain, heavy thundery showers on and off throughout the day. They'll all be tracking further eastwards, so a little bit drier towards the west, I think, by the time we get to the end of the afternoon. Nina and Charlie.
Elizabeth,